Hello and a very warm welcome to Belfast Boat Club, South Belfast's premier sports club, which offers its members so much more.
We are the only sports club in Ireland where you get such a varied mix of facilities all under one roof, in a stunning location on the banks of the River Lagan. Ideally located in the Stranmillis area with handy parking for our members' convenience. Activities on offer include rowing, tennis, squash, fitness and group exercise supported by professional coaches and personal trainers for both children and adults. Membership includes all social activities, relaxing in your bar or enjoying a bite to eat. For special occasions, hire our function room.
To see for yourself why we are so much more than simply a sports club, visit our website online at belfastboatclub.com or give us a call on 028 90 66 5012. Or why not pop in for a quick tour of the club. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you soon.